Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too.
Hi guys, welcome to today's vlog and I hope you're going to enjoy it. Welcome to this video. My name is Elizabeth and I do cleaning motivation videos, some lifestyle, laundry videos. Please tune into my channel. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, do so because there's a late content coming throughout the whole of the days for as long as I can still make it. I'm opening this vlog because now guys, I don't open vlogs. I just, when I see I have to put up the camera, I just put up a camera without even deciding I have to record whatever I'm doing. So I will just learn on how to, to open vlogs and close them, because I realized the last ones I didn't even close them properly. So bear with me. If you do enjoy this kind of content, please like this video, share it with your friends and family and other people that you are next to, and we are going to be enjoying. So welcome to today's vlog. Let's get into the video.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And now we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it. Slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. traveling the mountains just to find the loudest seas. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
Guys, it's in the afternoon, Kiaraye, and I'm gonna pass by Nandos Savannah. I ordered some chicken. It's on special. It's 167 rand with a side. So I'm going to take it. I just bought it because I want my kids to have a different taste of meat, and personally I prefer my cookings. I do prefer my cookings, but this time I'm going to order some chicken out there. So ke a fitlha e segale.
I remember the ocean, memories die out too hard. But we were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest seas. We sat down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know.
I ordered a full chicken. I wanted them to cut it into 8 pieces, and spinach, it was going with one side, which is, there's no price here, 167 with my sleep. Yeah, it's 167 rand. So I ordered lemon and herb.
Yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go.
Guys, I was lost in the parking. Do you ever get lost or forget where you parked your car? It happens to me, especially when I wish to park at a certain parking. I wish to park next to the entrance of the building. Then you find there's no parking at all. There's no parking, and you are forced to park somewhere where you don't even feel like going there. When you go out of the shop, when I go out of the shop, my mind is telling me I parked there. Then when I go there, there's no car. I get heated. I get so heated, thinking my car is lost, only to find I forgot where I parked. Does this happen to you, or is just me? I do really forget sometimes where I had parked. So comment down below if things like this happens to you, where you forget or you do not remember where you have parked your car.
it's not a nice feeling because you get to tremble, you are scared, you are feeling all kind of those things. By jail, and the dealings of insurance and officers there. I don't want that thing. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my